Welcome back to Care Master Tips, your go-to channel for car maintenance, repair tips, and honest automotive advice. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: engine additives. Are they miracle solutions, or just marketing hype? In this video, we'll reveal 13 engine additives that actually work, and 5 that could destroy your engine if you're not careful. Let's get started. Number 1. Full synthetic oil stabilizers. Oil stabilizers improve viscosity under high heat, reduce friction, and extend oil life, especially helpful for engines running in extreme temperatures or under heavy loads. Brands like Lucas Oil Stabilizer or Liquimoli Most 2 are commonly used by professionals. They don't replace oil changes, but they help protect your engine during hard driving, towing, or racing. Number 2. Fuel system cleaners with polyetheramine, P. If you're going to use a fuel system cleaner, make sure it contains P, polyetheramine, the most effective chemical for removing carbon deposits. Brands like Chevron Techron, Redline SI1, and Gumout Regain use this compound. They work to clean fuel injectors, remove intake valve deposits, improve combustion, restore lost fuel economy. Hammer and wrench use every 5,000 to 10,000 miles for best results. Oil drum. Number 3. High mileage oil additives with seal conditioners. Engines with 100,000 plus miles can suffer from hardened or shrunken seals, leading to leaks. Additives like STP high mileage oil treatment or Liquimoli oil saver condition these seals, helping prevent or reduce leaks. They also thicken oil slightly, improving performance in worn-out engines with loose tolerances. Test tube. Number 4. Zinc additives, ZDDP boosters. Zinc dialkyl dithiophosphate, or ZDDP, is a vital anti-wear additive that's been reduced in modern oils due to emissions regulations. But it's still essential for classic cars with flat tappet camshafts. Without enough ZDDP, cams and lifters wear prematurely. If you own a pre-1980s engine or a high-performance racing engine, using a ZDDP booster can prevent catastrophic failure. Warning: don't use ZDDP in engines with catalytic converters unless absolutely necessary. High voltage. Number 5. Octane boosters, premium grade. A true octane booster, not just a marketing label, can raise your fuel's octane rating by 2 to 7 points. This reduces knocking, especially in turbocharged or high compression engines. Look for products from Royal Purple Max Boost Turbo Accelerator Boostane. Avoid cheap gas station octane boosters. They're mostly alcohol and do more harm than good. Cyclone. Number 6. Engine flush additives, before oil changes only. Engine flushes work by thinning out sludge and varnish buildup before an oil change. They're controversial, but when used correctly, they can clean out decades of deposits. Great brands include Liquimoli Engine Flush, Amsoil Engine Flush, only use on healthy engines, never on engines with sludge and known leaks or worn gaskets. Thermometer. Number 7. Coolant additives for heat transfer and corrosion protection. Coolant additives improve thermal conductivity, reduce corrosion, and extend radiator life. Water Wetter by Redline is a popular example. It lowers engine temps by up to 10 to 15 degrees under load, ideal for performance cars or heavy-duty applications. Sweat Droplets. Number 8. Fuel injector cleaners, concentrated. Modern fuel injection systems are very sensitive. Dirty injectors can cause poor idling, hesitation, and reduced power. Use injector cleaners like BG44K, used by dealerships, Royal Purple Max Clean. These restore spray patterns and combustion efficiency. Hammer and wrench. Number 9. Stop leak additives, short-term only. Some additives swell gaskets slightly, helping to seal minor leaks. Blue Devil Oil Stop Leak is one of the better ones. It's non-clogging and doesn't contain harmful solids. Warning: only use these for very small leaks, and never as a substitute for real repairs. Gear. Number 10. Friction modifiers, Most 2 and PTFE. Molybdenum disulfide, Most 2, and polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, reduce wear and internal drag. They're found in products like Liquimoli Oil Additive and Zato Atomic Revitalizing. Benefits include lower engine temperatures, reduced friction, extended component life. They're especially useful in engines that are under load for long periods, like taxis, trucks, or performance builds. Lorry. Number 11. Diesel fuel additives for DPF and injector maintenance. Diesel engines benefit from additives that increase cetane rating, clean EGR valves, reduce soot buildup in the DPF, prevent gelling in cold weather. Top products include Stanodyne Performance Formula, Hotshot's Secret Diesel Extreme, and Howe's Diesel Treat. Snowflake number 12, cold weather oil flow additives. Cold starts are one of the most damaging events in an engine's life. Low temp additives improve pour point and allow oil to reach vital components faster. Ice, especially helpful in climates below freezing, are for diesel trucks that sit overnight. Ice number 13, diesel anti-gel fuel treatments. In freezing temperatures, diesel fuel gels and blocks fuel lines. Anti-gel products like Power Service Diesel Fuel Supplement or Howe's Diesel Treat prevent this. They also lubricate the pump and injectors and reduce emissions in cold weather. Crossmark, Part 2 to 5 engine additives that can damage your car. 1030 to 1330. Skull and Crossbones number 1, compression restoration, additives with solids. Products that claim to restore compression often include microscopic metal or ceramic particles. These can clog narrow oil passages, damage oil filters, and increase wear on piston rings. Avoid anything with vague claims like restores power instantly. Skull number 2, overused stop leak additives. We mentioned that stop leaks can help in the short term. But used repeatedly, they can clog radiators, heater cores, and oil channels. Warning: always treat them as temporary fixes, never permanent solutions. Warning number 3, DIY additive myths, ATF, acetone, brake fluid in fuel. Despite online claims, adding transmission fluid, acetone, or brake fluid to your gas or oil is dangerous. These fluids are not designed to combust, and they can destroy your oxygen sensors, catalytic converter, or even your fuel pump. Grimace. Number 4, cheap octane boosters with alcohol bases. Low-cost octane boosters often contain too much ethanol or methanol. This can damage rubber fuel lines, corrode injectors, and reduce fuel system lifespan, especially in older cars. Prohibited number 5, one additive fixes everything, scams. If a product claims to stop leaks, restore horsepower, improve MPG, clean injectors, quiet lifters, and fix your marriage, it's fake. Additives are purpose-specific tools. No product can solve every issue. Stick to reputable brands, and always read what the additive is designed to do. So, do engine additives work? Yes, if you choose the right product, use it at the right time, and know what your engine needs. A well-chosen additive can checkmark extend engine life, checkmark improve performance, checkmark reduce repair costs, checkmark protect vital components. But the wrong additive, or using one when you don't need it, can cause more harm than good. Here's your checklist before using any engine additive. Read your owner's manual, identify your engine's specific needs, use only trusted, well-reviewed brands, don't expect miracles. No additive replaces proper maintenance. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a tip from Care Master Tips. Comment below if you've used an additive that actually made a difference, or tell us which one ruined your ride. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep your engine clean.